This policy applies to many of the everyday activities that put your personal information at risk, such as signing a check or charging products in person or over the phone. It doesn't matter how indifferent you are to them, other people will see it. Identity theft is on the rise in the United States, with criminals increasingly snatching credit cards and making purchases in the name of their victims. Identity theft cost Americans $5 billion in 2004, according to the U.S. Postal Inspection Service (USPIS). The National Crime Prevention Council's program aims to teach individuals how to avoid identity theft. The council provides this opinion: do your due diligence before handing out any personal information to any individual you're working with. You should never give up your social security number or bank account number in response to an email. Nothing of the sort will be requested of you by a legitimate business. To be safe, only give out your credit card number to a reputable retailer. Take a look at the URL in the address bar of your browser. No longer should the term HTTP be used on a check or a credit card statement. Nobody wants to read their social security number or phone number. Sending your computer in for repair or disposal if it includes personal information is not recommended. It's best to shred any documents that you no longer need, including pre-approved credit card applications, bank statements, retail receipts, and utility bills. Dumpster divers can access your personal information if you throw it away. Any credit cards that have not been used in the last 6 months should be discarded. An open credit card is one of the easiest methods for thieves to get their hands on your money. Always check your creditor report and report any mistakes to the agency that collects it in writing at least twice each year. If you've been a victim of identity theft, you need to call the police straight away. Your identity could have been stolen and used in 2 different places. If this happens, you may have to make reports in both locations.